morning, guys. It's the Maryanne Hutchison channel. I am getting up today because I've got things I gotta do. But we have a theme day today, and it's called Forest Animals. I want you to comment down your favorite forest animal below. That's today's theme. Today's theme is forest animals. I want you to just comment down below your favorite forest animal. And we're going to be changing Frodo into his outfit for the day. So as we getting him ready, I want to know how y'all doing, and I want you to comment down your favorite forest animal and your favorite kit. My favorite is the Alternative Reborn kit, Fred Elf. Comment down your favorite Reborn kit and your favorite forest animal for today's theme. So today we are going to be wearing these newborn size Garanimals army style pants. So that's today's theme. Yesterday's theme was black and white and elephants. So yep, just comment your favorite forest animal. I don't have a favorite forest animal. I like all of them. So I really like them all. So yeah, I just hope this gets in there. I don't know why it wasn't working. I don't know what that was. No, I got his pants on. I couldn't get his pants on because he got stuck. Alright, and we're going to put on this, oops, excuse me. We're going to put on this top from Child of Mine. Child of Mine by Carter's. It's just a aqua green and black with a ratty raccoon on it. And it's long sleeves, so we're going to put that on him. Then we're going to put these gray bear booties on him. Oops, if you can see it. We're just going to put these gray bear booties. So, yeah. So I hope y'all are having a good day today. I am sort of having a good day. So, yeah. Just trying to be cheery. Though I miss my boyfriend. Yeah. I really miss him. So, yeah. Because he lives in another country, and that's kind of hard for me. So, yeah. Okay, we're getting on this slowly but surely. Slowly but surely, this thing is getting on. And we're going to get ready to get dressed and go out. Because I've got to get my hair done today. I washed my hair twice this week. So I've got to get it done again today. Sorry, yep. Alrighty, we're all dressed, I think. I think we are all dressed and ready. Yep, we are all ready. In his shirt, I'll get his booties on. And I will give him his bottle later, as soon as I get ready. Alright, guys. So, yep, he's all dressed, and this is what he looks like. This is what he looks like for today. Okay? So thanks for watching the Maryanne Hutchison channel. Bye for now. Bye.